friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making roasted honey eggplant. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. For this easy recipe, we just need eggplant, olive oil, seasonings of your choice. I'm just going to use salt and red pepper, and we also need honey. So I'm going to slice the eggplant. I already washed it before making the video. No need to peel the eggplant. The peel is totally edible, but if you'd like, you can peel it, totally up to you. So I'm just going to slice the eggplant into rounds. And I'm going to put them in a baking sheet. And now I'm going to brush on with some olive oil. So I'll just pour some oil in a dish, so you can use about a tablespoon. And I'm going to sprinkle them with seasoning, so I'll just season it with salt and some red pepper. And I'm going to save the honey for later because I don't want it to burn in the oven. So first I'm going to roast the eggplant until it's almost done, and then I'll add the honey. So again, the oven is 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's put the eggplant and roast until it's tender. So now the eggplant has been roasting for 30 minutes and it's almost ready. So I'm going to take it out. Look how good it looks. And as a final touch is I'm going to add honey. So I'm just going to spread it with honey on top. So just squeeze some honey over the eggplant. And you can spread it so it's more even. And now let's put it back in the oven. And roast it some more. Now the eggplant has been baking in the oven for 5 minutes after I added the honey on top. So let's take a look. Wow, look how good it looks. Perfectly roasted honey eggplant. It looks amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. And now let's try it. So I'll just take one eggplant off the baking sheet. So see how tender it is. It's perfectly roasted, so soft. Now, let me just cut it. It's so delicious. The honey flavor goes so well with eggplant because I added some red pepper. It's also spicy. So the spicy honey flavor is amazing. This eggplant is super addictive and it's healthy. You don't need to fry it. There's very little oil. It's a very healthy side dish. Try it. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!